afternoon guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Just to say, this is going to be a quick flip through of 5 of the Vintage Floral collection for January. These are the Bespoke Traveller's Notebooks for January, Bespoke for the Be Bold and Be Strong Circuit Assembly note taking. Just to say that I've done 3 in the Be Strong and 2 Be Bold this time round. They're Traveller's Notebooks that, or inserts that can sit in Traveller's Notebook covers. And I've made a couple. I don't know if you've seen the video, but I'm experimenting, to be honest. So I've made some, and these are prototypes. These are notebook covers that coordinate and that you can pop your notebooks in and add others to them if you should so wish. And I will be, just to say, as these are prototype ones, I'll be, for the first, I think there are 3 available, for the first 3 purchases of any of these, the collection, if they'd like to have one as a gift for their notebooks, feel free. Let me know, first come first serve. But just to say, this last month's these are a lot simpler than last month's collection. The Be Bold and the red and white and the Be Strong with the Gibson girls and lace. I've used vintage fabric on these, which I love, absolutely love. Vintage fabric and lace. As you can see, the lace isn't vintage on these ones, but the fabric is, and they are tied with a selection, some sari silk, some lace. That's still not vintage, but beautiful nonetheless. Then if you can see just how I've tried to make them a little bit different. They all have 52 pages and are filled with a selection of plain and square and lined coffee dyed and tea dyed papers. They have journal prompts printed on them this time rather than collaged. I'll just go in and let you know, let you see, so you can see what they are. Okay, so they all come with movable, programs, so that for morning and afternoon in their pockets, and then as you go along you take your notes. If you should so wish, you can move your program along with it. Because we're all really different and we all take notes in a different rate, so it was difficult to put titles of talks on there. I've actually done a little, I don't know if you can see on this tea dyed paper, just a little flip out, but you've got a definition of the word bold on the front there, and all the way through I've popped in some florals. So you've got some Tim Holtz, ephemera pieces popped in, and this is the digital stamping I tried this time round, and I've popped it onto tracing paper, which looks lovely each way that you pop it open. And as you can see, each one has its scripture, the theme scripture sort of popped in on tracing paper. And I probably won't flip through all of them because they're very similar in their layout. Okay, so I'll just do this one for now. So this is actually stamped. That was from the little latest haul of stamps that I got from the charity shop that I'm really pleased with. But if you can see, I've done just little prompts all the way through in line with the program, and they're printed straight onto the page this time. Take your stand. Bits and pieces from vintage botanical books, and I also am featuring this is from a lovely botanical book that I've got. I just think it livens up the page with still giving you lots of room to, to journal, to make your notes. These are from these little bits and pieces are Edith Holden, and they're from the Nature Notes of an Edwardian Lady, the lesser known book, coordinating, I think, I can't remember if it was before or after, I'll have to keep checking. I think it might have been before her country diary, but it's very similar, but beautiful, different illustrations. I'll pop those in. Okay, so you can see how beautifully the tea dyed paper comes out on this. I'm really pleased. Music paper, sort of junk journal styly, but really simplified. I haven't done any fancy windows or anything this one, and that's reflected in the price as well of these particular ones. I love this. Love, 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 love. Just these I found in a book, Reader's Digest book, that I'm going to use for the gratitude journal for Becky, for her scripture come gratitude journal. So that's the Edith Holden, just popped in there. It's a beautiful, beautiful bit of the Tim Holtz, bit of sort of music paper, blank music paper, but I've just tea dyed it and popped it in. Bit of stamping, some coffee dyed squared paper. And I love this. I love, 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 love. I don't know if you can see, I've coffee dyed it, but it's this is a beautiful book about Victorian country cottages, and each of the notebooks has it as a centerpiece. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so as I said, they're all very similar, and I will put different photographs on Etsy to show the different books. So for those of you that love a bit of vintage, oh, I love how this feels. A bit of Tim Holtz again, a bit of vintage botanical. I'm actually going to be doing these in little sets. I think I've got quite a few of these strips that I think I might pop together in a little set, ephemera set to on my Etsy, as well as little bits of fabric as well that you might like to purchase and buy to decorate your own journals. Liven them up a little bit. So plenty of room, I think, for the day's notes, the spiritual gems to collect. I love it. I love, love, love. I love that. I don't know if you can see. And I've just done a little journal prompt there. Okay. That's the other side of the theme scripture. Popped in. I think I popped in the whole chapter. And this is beautiful paper I picked up from eBay. But I don't know if you can see this gorgeous little fish. And I just gently tea dyed that. And on the back you've got your little lace pocket, the afternoon program. And if you want to add to it, you can. It's not chunkied up yet. And should you wish to pop it, that's not the way to do it. Let's pop that there for now. I do have, let me see, I'll show you a little, the Traveller's Notebook. There you go. It is still in progress, so I just need to trim off the edges as I've just done these to video. As you can see, you can pop that in there. That can be part of your set, so you can have like a notepad, you can have the Be Strong as well if you haven't been to that. Any other plain notebook that you fancy popping in with it, feel free. Feel free. I think this one might be my one because it's a bit marked in the front. I'm keeping one for myself, but like this one, this will be part of the giveaway, the prototype giveaway. Right, so Be Strong. Let's look through. This is one of my favourites actually. I just experimented really with different ways of using the lace. So that's the other Be Bold. That's the other Be Bold with the green. And I think it's called Morning Glory. And that's got the beautiful sari silk on it. The other Be Strong has got the, if you can see, it's got the lace on the side. And on the inside it's got like side pockets. That bit. Oh, let's just try this one. Let's just try that one. So that's got a side pocket with that beautiful lace. I just love it. I love it. So it's sort of folded over. So you've got both of your programs in the front here, your morning and the afternoon. Okay. So you've got the teardrop paper clips popped in so that you can clip them any way you fancy. Okay, again tea dyed paper with Tim Holtz ephemera. Beautiful. I love this. Love, 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 love. And it's going to get on my nerves. Right, there you go. That's done along the tea dyed paper. I think it looks beautiful. So this has got the Joshua scripture in it. And again, the different prompts, journal prompts that are themed towards from the programme. How beautiful that digital stamp looks on there. Just experimenting with that, but I will be using those a lot more. And these feel beautiful. There's different weights of paper. That's from the Country Diary of the Edwardian lady. That's the Edith Holden. Her diary. And the country notes. Do I need to zoom in a bit more? If I can get it all on, but there you go. No, out again. Out again. There you go. Just some squared paper. Some of the ephemera with the with the journal prompt. I think that is just such a pretty page. Absolutely love it. Love, love, oh, love it. Let's see. Bit of music paper because it always adds variety, doesn't it, to a journal. Bit of stamping on down the margin here I've popped in. Then the digital stamping. And I have the little bit of the toadstool mushroomy type with the squared paper. Botanical book page, just to collage and add interest to the pages. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this book. Love, 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 love. So the centre spread on this one is in the garden from 18. I don't know if you can see it with a from 18th. No, it doesn't say. But it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful image. And on the back, you have this image here. So as I say, each book will have a centre spread like this, and they'll be all itemised on Etsy. I love that. I love that. So as I say, I'm going to be working on little packs of these strips, I think, with the fabric, in case anybody would like just to have something of interest that you haven't got in your own stash to pop into your journals and to add interest. Into your meeting books or your diaries, whatever. And I'm looking to do, from next month, I'm going to start the Love Never Fails. Some plain notebooks that you can decorate yourself. And I will add the programmes as they become available. So some hardback notebooks, as well as I might do some sets like I did last year. And I do have videos of last year's Be Courageous Traveller notebook sets. Let's have a look at any of those, either to have a go making them yourself, if you'd like to. I do have tutorials, or to order. You can see how, just look at the tea dyeing on that. So guys, I want this to be under 15 minutes, so I'm going to sign off now. Just gives you an idea. Gives you an idea of basically what the layout is of all 5 of these. I will be doing the next flip through will be of the Just Because journals, reflections, thoughts and scribbles, and the notebooks as well, just the plain notes too. So hop on over and have a look at those if you like, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed before and you do like, please press like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye.